Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P20 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant. So first of all, you should go to the Google application, and here on the right upper corner tap to this icon and now go to settings. Right there you will see the Google Assistant. Tap here and now we can see the Hey Google and voice match. Click here and now just tap here to turn on this function. As can you see, here we can tap on the switcher and we can activate this option at the moment. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.